Imagine a civilization so advanced that it could harness the energy of an entire star or even the galaxy itself. What would life look like in such a world? Could humanity ever reach that level? Welcome to today's video, where we explore one of the most fascinating concepts in science and futurism, the Kardashev Scale. This is a framework that ranks civilizations based on their ability to harness and utilize energy. Originally proposed in 1964 by the Soviet astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev, this scale doesn't just tell us where we stand but also provides a roadmap for humanity's future. Why does this matter? Because it challenges us to think beyond our current limitations and explore the possibilities of what we could become. Stick around as we unravel this cosmic ladder, its implications, and where humanity fits into this grand picture. The Kardashev scale measures a civilization's technological advancement based on the energy it can harness. Originally, Kardashev proposed 3 levels. Let's dive deeper into the 3 primary levels of the Kardashev scale, which measure civilizations based on the energy they can harness. Understanding these levels more deeply will give us insight into the vast scope of what's possible and what might define the future of humanity or any advanced extraterrestrial species. Type 1 civilization, planetary civilization. A Type 1 civilization is one that can harness and control all the energy available on its home planet. This includes managing the planet's natural resources, like solar energy, wind, geothermal heat, and even the energy from natural disasters such as earthquakes and hurricanes. Essentially, this civilization has mastered the energy flow within the boundaries of its planet. Key characteristics. 1. Energy mastery. The civilization can efficiently use all available energy sources, without waste. This includes tapping into renewable sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower while managing and reducing dependence on non-renewable resources like fossil fuels. In theory, a Type 1 civilization could fully utilize energy directly from the Earth's core or from geothermal sources. 2. Technological advancements. This civilization would have perfected technologies such as advanced energy storage, allowing for a stable and efficient energy grid that ensures the population's needs are met without environmental damage. They would also use clean energy technologies to address the challenges of global warming and environmental degradation, creating a sustainable future. 3. Global cooperation. A Type 1 civilization would require significant global cooperation to manage resources, mitigate climate change, and ensure equitable distribution of energy. Global political, social, and economic systems would need to evolve to function harmoniously. Given current global conflicts and economic inequalities, humanity is still in the process of reaching this level, with some experts like Michio Kaku estimating that we may be at 0.73 on the Kardashev scale. Type 2 civilization, stellar civilization. A Type 2 civilization goes beyond controlling its home planet's energy. It can harness the total energy output of its star. A Type 2 civilization is capable of constructing megastructures, such as a Dyson sphere, to capture the energy of its star. Key characteristics. 1. Harnessing stellar energy. The most iconic example of a Type 2 civilization is a species capable of building a Dyson sphere, a massive shell or swarm of satellites encircling a star, designed to capture most, if not all, of the star's energy. This would provide an almost limitless supply of energy to the civilization. Alternatively, they might use orbital solar arrays or other advanced methods of tapping into the energy of stars. 2. Space colonization. A Type 2 civilization would likely have the capability to colonize planets and moons within its solar system. They would have advanced space travel technologies, possibly even using artificial intelligence or nanotechnology to aid in exploration and resource extraction across the cosmos. Space travel between star systems could be possible, facilitated by advanced propulsion technologies that enable faster-than-light travel. 3. Technological and social mastery. This civilization would be capable of advanced terraforming technologies to make other planets habitable, and it would have the capability to engineer planets and moons for specific purposes, e.g., creating energy-producing structures, artificial ecosystems, or scientific research hubs. Society would be technologically sophisticated enough to manage vast interstellar economies, which may involve asteroid mining, the manipulation of solar wind, or the extraction of valuable resources from other stars and planets. Type 3 civilization, galactic civilization. A Type 3 civilization controls the energy output of an entire galaxy. This is an unfathomably advanced civilization capable of harnessing the energy of billions of stars, planets, and potentially even black holes. Key characteristics. 1. Energy mastery across the galaxy. A Type 3 civilization would be able to harness energy not only from its home star but from all stars in its galaxy. This could involve the use of advanced technologies to collect energy from black holes, such as by extracting energy from their accretion disks or harnessing Hawking radiation. They might also use massive energy sources like gamma-ray bursts or supernovae, possibly even controlling the flow of energy within a galaxy to create stable, sustainable conditions for their civilization. 2. Advanced space travel. Type 3 civilization would have colonized entire star systems and perhaps even intergalactic regions. They would likely have immense fleets capable of traversing vast distances between galaxies, harnessing technologies that allow them to bend or manipulate spacetime itself. The civilization would be capable of traveling between galaxies, mining stars and planets for resources, and potentially even altering the fundamental laws of physics to suit their needs. 3. Incredible technological power. These civilizations could possibly create or manipulate artificial wormholes or stargates for faster-than-light travel. With the energy of entire galaxies at their disposal, they could also engage in massive engineering projects, such as creating superclusters of stars or artificial universes. Beyond Type 3, Type 4 and Type 5 civilizations. As theorized by futurists, there are potential Type 4 and Type 5 civilizations, though they exist purely in the realm of speculation. These civilizations would go far beyond even controlling the energy of an entire galaxy. Type 4, Universal Civilization. A Type 4 civilization could harness energy from an entire universe, perhaps manipulating dark energy or quantum fields to travel between universes. Their technologies would be so advanced that they could theoretically create or destroy universes at will. Type 5, Multiversal Civilization. A Type 5 civilization would be capable of controlling the energy of multiple universes. This civilization would operate outside the constraints of known physics and might even exist in different dimensions or alternate realities, with godlike powers over existence itself. Where does humanity stand? Currently, humanity is far from reaching Type 1. We rely heavily on fossil fuels, which are finite and polluting. To advance, we need to embrace sustainable energy solutions like solar, wind, and nuclear fusion. But progress is being made. Projects like the ITER nuclear fusion reactor and advancements in solar technology bring us closer to tapping into the vast energy resources of our planet. 4. Challenges to advancement. Reaching higher levels on the Kardashev scale isn't just about technology, it's also about survival and cooperation. Global unity. To achieve Type 1, humanity must overcome war, political divisions, and resource inequalities. A unified effort is essential to manage planetary energy systems effectively. Technological hurdles. Building something like a Dyson sphere for Type 2 would require resources, knowledge, and collaboration on an unimaginable scale. Could asteroid mining or artificial intelligence help us get there? Existential threats. From climate change to potential asteroid impacts, humanity faces numerous threats that could derail our progress entirely. What would life look like? Imagine life in a Type 2 civilization, cities powered directly by starlight, space habitats orbiting the sun, and the ability to prevent natural disasters. In a Type 3 civilization, we might explore every corner of the galaxy, cataloging planets and discovering new forms of life. Perspectives and debates. While the Kardashev scale is widely respected, some scientists argue it's too simplistic. It focuses solely on energy usage, ignoring advancements in other areas like knowledge, ethics, and culture. Others, like Carl Sagan, have suggested a more nuanced version of the scale, incorporating factors like information processing. Conclusion: the horizon of possibility. Each of these civilization types represents a tremendous leap in technological, social, and energy mastery. As humanity stands at the crossroads of a Type 1 and Type 2 civilization, we can only dream about what the future may hold. Could we one day build a Dyson sphere around the sun? Could we travel between the stars, harnessing the power of galaxies? The Kardashev scale provides a framework to imagine what could be possible. But reaching these levels isn't just about technology, it's about how we solve the challenges we face today: environmental sustainability, global cooperation, and peace. How quickly humanity advances will depend not only on scientific breakthroughs but on our collective ability to evolve and address these challenges. Where do you think humanity is headed? Do you believe we'll make it to Type 1 or even beyond? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation.